Your attention, please.
Because the puppets are here.
From Zenon's farm.
Exactly.
Today we bring you Parrot Pepe is not blue.
Hello there, friends. I am Zenon. Welcome to the Puppets from the Farm. And everything here is joyful and fun.
Hello, Zenon.
What's the matter, Pepe?
I'm just a little worried.
Why is that?
Bartolito says that my body is the color blue. And I am definitely not blue.
Bartolito!
Did you miss me?
Why did you say that Parrot Pepe is blue?
Because it's clearly blue like the grass.
The grass that I eat is not blue. And it is very delicious, by the way.
That is right, Lola. It seems to me that you need to learn the colors, Bartolito. Can you lend me your wing, Pepe?
Just for a little while, boss. I need it so that I can fly.
Yes. Don't worry about it.
He tickles me, boss.
For example, what color is this, Bartolito?
It's red.
No, Bartolito! No, Bartolito, look! This color here is yellow. Yellow as the...
You mean like Beto?
No, Bartolito! As the sun that is in the card that Beto is holding.
Exactly.
Now let's give this another try. Okay, what color is this?
It's orange.
No, Bartolito.
No, Bartolito. The color of this feather is blue, just like the color of the sky. Yes. Now for orange. See this feather? Its color is orange. And the color of Pepe's legs is orange, just like...
Halloween pumpkins, how scary!
Easy, Bartolito. It's me.
Beto the wolf, how scary!
Exactly.
Let's try this one more time. It seems that we only have 2 colors left. What color is this? I am going to give you 2 options, purple or red.
Exactly.
That question was for Bartolito, Beto the wolf.
Oh, sorry.
Okay, well, everyone must let Bartolito answer. Understood? Okay, well, Bartolito, this feather happens to be the same color as our, and also the same color as your crest. I imagine you know the color of your crest, right? Well, I'm going to give you 3 options. Orange, yellow, or red.
Wait a second. We said that the orange color was the color of the Halloween pumpkin. And the yellow was the color of the sun. So, my crest is red.
Yes, Bartolito.
Very good, Bartolito. You really did it. So now, what color is my body?
That's very easy. It's blue.
No, Bartolito.
What do you mean no?
I think Bartolito should continue practicing.
Yes.
Until next time, my friends.
It's blue.
Yes.
My favorite color is blue. It's definitely blue.
Cookies.
I really like the color yellow because it's just like us.
I am the Parrot Pepe. Welcome to the show on the farm. Now here's the boss.
Thanks for introducing me, Pepe.
You are not the boss here, Bartolito. The boss here is Zenon.
Did I hear my name?
You did. We were looking for you because we were hoping we could play. We want to
That's
play.
right.
Oh, that sounds pretty good. What do you want to play, Pepe?
Oh, there is a very fun game that has many different names depending on the country.
Yes.
In Mexico, they call it La Roña. Ándale, ándale.
In Spain, pila pila. Yole.
In Brazil, pega pega and jump.
In Argentina, la manta. Chun chun.
In English, it's called tag. Oh, yeah.
In Japanese, Onigoko, arigato, sayonara.
Ah, now we can ask all of our dear friends to tell us how they call it in their country.
Yes.
Yes, right, dear friends. I love this game. Love to play it. I'm the best. Just one quick question. How do we play it?
It's very easy. One of us must chase the others. If he reaches someone and touches him, he must remain like a statue or frozen until someone else saves him.
Yes, and the one who hasn't been a statue, frozen, can save the others by touching them.
I would love to be the one who chases.
No wonder, Beto the Wolf.
Very good. Now let's play. First 1, 2, and last 3.
I will catch you.
Come on, Lola, come faster.
Run! He's not gonna catch me. He's not gonna catch me.
Faster, Lola.
I'm going as fast as I
A statue. A statue. Statue. You're the only one left, Bartolito. Surrender. Where are you, Bartolito?
Save us, Bartolito!
You can't speak now. You're a statue.
I am a talking statue!
That doesn't exist. You can't moo either.
But I'm not a statue, and I can sing to save my friends.
I will catch you. Bartolito, where are you? Bartolito.
Now I caught you. Statue.
No, Lobito! You are a statue and you cannot howl!
I always wanted to perch up on a statue!
You look so good, Beto the Wolf! Until next time, everyone! Bartolito!
Did you say my name?
Yes! Bartolito, I have to ask you a favor. Today I can't be the host of the show because I have to go to town in my rowdy car. So, while I drive my car into town, you will be the host of the show!
Thank you very much, Zenon. I was waiting for this opportunity. Indeed. Wait a second. You said you were going to town in the rowdy car? Well, I always wanted to ride the rowdy car. May I? May I? May I go? May I?
Yes!
Very good idea, Bartolito. I would also like to ride the rowdy car. May I?
But I really don't think my rowdy car is big enough that we can all ride in it together.
I hope you didn't forget about me. May I? May I?
Yes.
Oh, but boss! It would be such a good idea to all travel together and for us to sing the rowdy car song. May I?
I just don't think my poor car can handle it, Pepe.
Of course it can, Zenon. Let's all go together!
Meow, my car has got its own horn.
Beep, beep.
Me, it sounds so funny to me.
Moo, the people love to greet me.
Car, wherever I am driving.
Oh no, I have a flat tire.
Shh, I can hear the problem. Meow, what are we going to do now?
Moo, we'll fix it right away.
We're on our way now. We're on our way now. We're going for a lovely ride during the day now. We're on our way now. We're on our way. We're on our way, going riding today. We're on our way now. It's like a game now. We're going on a noisy ride out in the car now. We're on our way now. We're on our way. We're on our way, going riding today. We're on our way now. We're on our way now. We know we'll get there when we get there. That's okay now. We're on our way now. We're on our way. We're on our way, going riding today.
I'm starting to think that we may not be able to get to town in your rowdy old car, Zenon.
Oh.
So it was a very fun trip. A very fun trip.
Yes. Beep, beep.
Oh, I don't think my car had that much fun because now it's broken.
Don't you worry about it, boss. We will help you repair it.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Okay, now that Zenon named me the host of the show.
The show? It's over. Until next time, everyone. Now let's go repair the car.
Yes.
Beep, beep.
Yes.
I will be back.
To repair the car.
I need to go scare someone.
Wait a minute. Come back here.